Mic check, mic check, mic check. Seriously, come on. I said, you guys didn't hear what I said? You didn't hear what I said? Oh man, I told you guys, I told you all the secrets about where the market's gonna go today. Too late now. Sorry. I just told you guys exactly what was gonna happen and nobody heard it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, we are live. We're back. You guys are on the big screen. Don't say anything mean. Don't say anything mean. You're on the big screen. I answered all the questions this morning. I did like this part. People talking about the Patrick for president. Yes, buddy. Patrick would be a better president than any of the candidates. Ooh. I think so. I think so. I think so. All right. Patrick, we love you all the way from Israel. We're worldwide, baby. There are no borders that keep me down. We're worldwide. 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 All right, boys and girls, girls and boys. We are live looking here at the NASDAQ. What do we got today? Anybody know what we got? Anybody? Take a look at the chart. What do you got there? Can you guess? Can you guess? I think this little screen is still in the way there. Oh, it's kind of still in the way. Get out of the way, screen. I moved my camera around a little bit. We're doing some new stuff here. We're getting wild. We're getting crazy, my friends. Right now, looking here at the ES moving down. Look at this overnight move right now. Just down, down, down. Down. She's going. What do we got today in terms of news? Checking out the onlyprofirms.com website for all the latest and the greatest news. What do we got today? South Africa election day. Oh, now how nice. We've got 10 o'clock news today. 10 o'clock news. Dallas. Nothing too crazy, really. Yeah, nothing really crazy. It's a Richmond manufacturing news, so nothing too wild here. So let's see what happens. All right. Trying to Mike Checkerson. Mike Checkerson. All right. Checkerson, Mike check. All right, taking a look here at the QQQ. Oh, buddy, it's the QQQ. It's the QQQ. What the ticker symbol? Y'all know what the ticker symbol is for QQQ? Anybody? I bet you can't guess. I bet you can't guess what the ticker symbol is. I bet you can't. Even the smartest people in the world couldn't figure this one out. All right. By the way, today we have something to look at here, right? We've got a couple things going on here right now. So we've got this gap that's down here, right? This gap, 454 to 456, small gap, not a big gap there, but that gap is there. And then guess what? Look at how much we are opening up with this much of a gap. So we closed yesterday pretty much up here at the highs on the QQQ, and now we've got this big old gap, right? So we've gapped down. The market closing yesterday kind of at the highs, all-time high really on the QQQ. So interesting. We got basically, those two levels fighting right now. Two levels fighting there. We can get rid of the pivot points for now, but basically the gap right here acting, I think, kind of a possible pullback into there, but then guess what? We've got all this to kind of go back up to as well. So this whole gap right now, possibility. Maybe we fill this gap here, then we reverse back up to fill the gap from the overnight. I don't know. I feel like we haven't had a gap down in a while. When's the last time we had a gap down? The overnight. I feel like it's been a minute. I can't recall. I can't recall the last time we had a gap down here. I just can't remember. Right now, the NASDAQ just grinding lower here right now. Looking at the 15-minute chart. Just grinding. Got the VWAP all the way up there at the 18,844s. 844 pivot points. 846. 846 pivot point. 15-minute chart on the NQ right now. We are pulling back. We got that 752 pivot point down there. Gap down, trend change. Well, gaps do love to get filled. Gaps love to get filled here, so we'll find out. If you guys are just now tuning in, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. A like button, subscribe button, help me help you. It's free to like, by the way. Turn the likers on so you can see how many likes we get here. Getting ready, sharing the link on social media. Sharing the link here. So the NASDAQ pulling back here. Yesterday we had this key level there pretty much, or this is Friday. Friday key level. Key level there Friday at that 780 or so. We break out to the upside. We pushed all the way up there to the almost 18,900 level. And then yesterday, end of day yesterday, talk about a move. End of day, just that last 15 minutes, going from the 880s up there to the 960s. Literally last 15-minute candle of the day. Well, look at that. Would you just look at that? Oh, man. The next liquidated video is coming out on Friday. Next Friday. Be coming out, so next liquidated episode this Friday. All right, big move down here overnight. Big move down here overnight. I'm in the process of kind of changing up my studio once again. Feel like I'm always changing it up, but I needed more room. I need more room for the Hummer. We got the McLaren, I got the Hummer. I want to park the Hummer in the garage, so I'm trying to make it so I can fit both the Hummer and the McLaren in the garage. Right now I got the McLaren getting stage 2 exhaust and tune done, and then I've got the Hummer getting a wrap. Getting a wrap on the Hummer right now, so. You know I already ordered bigger tires and wheels, baby. What color is the McLaren? The same color as my chair. All electric Hummer, baby. On Apex, if you go above the profit target on a funded account, are you able to get a payout or do you have to wait? No, you can make, you can make $50,000 with Apex as long as you have a plan and you're following a strategy, not just gambling. So Jimmy DeButler said, so basically you're telling me to go short with no stops. Ugh. I don't know. I don't know about that. How fast can the Hummer go? It goes 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Jimmy is in the chat. No stop, Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy, you need to change your name. Change your name to the Jimmy No Stops. I think Jimmy No Stops would be a better deal. Stage 2 exhaust on the McLaren. Yes. Jimmy No Stops. Jimmy No Stops. Jimmy No Stops. Jimmy No Stops. What made me pick a Hummer over the Cybertruck? Have you guys actually seen the Cybertrucks in person? The fit and the finish, the overall reliability, I don't trust them. I think they're just not good. Like, there's been a lot of people complaining about how bad the fit and finish is. You got to think, GMC has made, you know, billions of cars. And it's definitely, GMC knows what they're doing compared to Tesla when it comes to the fit and finish. And the Cybertruck is god-awful looking. I'm not about it. It looks like a trash can. Look at my lines I drew yesterday. I know, I saw the lines yesterday. That 15-minute range playing out perfectly there on the NASDAQ. We got 15 minutes till the market opens up here. We got 15 minutes till the market opens up here. Right now, NASDAQ just kind of grinding down, down. Things to be aware of today. We have the gap fill potential, right? We have this gap on the QQQ still. Not a massive gap, but it is there. It never got filled. We only did like a half fill the other day. And right now we are kind of grinding. We just lost support. And we've just been moving down here. So we got that gap fill not much further to the downside. And then we're going to have a big old gap to the upside here. So just think about that. We got this big old gap basically from the close yesterday. And then we got this gap down here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here, my friends. It's time to party. We're doing it live on YouTube. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. Randy, so you're strictly a price action supply resistance trader. I don't know what other kind of trader is there. What other trader out there? What kind of, if you're not trading price action, what else is there? William moving from Toronto to Florida. Oh God, watch out. We got another Canadian coming to America. Keep the Canadians out. Keep them out of here. Just kidding. I like the Canadians. All right now, looking at the ES as well. The ES, the NASDAQ, everything just kind of grinding down here. The ES has that 5,273 level on the ES to the downside, which was Thursday's low. We're kind of just, I feel like we're working our way down there right now, but we got a pivot point coming up at the 78s here on the ES for now. And well, we got plenty of time to make some money today. The dollar is starting to push back up. The YM, everything's kind of just, they're not really making a drastic move to the downside here, but we'll see what happens. Pumped up here. We're pumped up. Pumped up. Patrick, that's the guy that tries to keep trading on Saturday. Hey, one day it might work. One day they might open the market on Saturday. We got pumped up. C4, baby. C4. Pumped up. Pumped up. All right, NASDAQ just continuing to move down here. Big move overnight. Right now, I think we're down about almost 1% overnight here. So 200 points from the high from overnight. Patrick, if you become the president, open the market 7 days a week. I think I got a better idea, actually. What if the market was only open for 1 hour a day? I'm just putting it out there. Think about that. 1 hour a day. Market open. I can make all the traders. So much money. Think about it. One hour, all the price action happens. It'd be amazing. That's all we need, baby. 1 hour a day keeps the market fair for everybody. Hard to get fills with only an hour. Don't you worry, you'll get filled. All right. If you're just now tuning in, you're late, obviously, and you do not get a golden star for being late around here. We don't want you. If you're late, just leave right now. All right, get the fuck out of here. But honestly, right now, looking here at the QQQ, the ETF that tracks the NASDAQ, we've got a gap down here, right? We got a gap pretty much down into this level. And that was from the gap up. We gapped up, that was on Thursday and Friday. That Friday move that we did not refill that gap all the way. So you can see the QQQ, this thing looking a little funny there, but you can see the QQQ, kind of that dotted line right there is where we're at right now. This is turned off with no, only regular trading hours, not extended trading hours. So we do have that gap there, just to be aware of, right? So we got that little gappy. But the problem is, we've also got this gap. This gap right here. This is the gap that we have from the close yesterday, which it's been a while since I've traded all-time highs. So we got that gap right here, and then this is all one big gap down as well. So I'm not sure what happened overnight. Was there some type of news or what's happening? But market pulling back from all-time highs here going into open. And your hair is too clean. Oh man, I gotta get it crazy again. I gotta get a haircut today, actually. Gotta get a haircut today, people. It's gonna be a pretty, I don't know, I feel like that's a big move to happen here overnight. We'll see what happens. Expect the unexpectable. Expect the unexpected. You know? Just expect it. You gotta expect it. The overnight was worries about Trump going into jail. I don't know. We'll see. I do feel like I don't feel like I want to get short down here right now after that big move down overnight. What's your opinion, LLC or personal trading? I guess it comes down to finding a tax professional. I personally have an LLC. I have an S Corp that I run everything through, but it really depends on your situation. We got the VWAP on the NASDAQ up there at the 18,841s. There's a pivot point right there, 47s. I have a, everything is an LLC, but you can elect to be an S Corp. An S Corp, yes. S Corp. S Corp. All right, so both the NASDAQ, the ES, right now looking at the ES here on the 15-minute chart. I mean, pretty clear to see the trend right now. The trend do, but you know how that goes. Gaps love to get filled. We get that, maybe we get one more run to the downside and then find some support here. That move down overnight was just like too perfect. The trend overnight here, I don't know. It's just like, look at that thing. Ugh. I don't know. I'm definitely leaning towards the up here, but just because I'm leaning towards that don't mean it's gonna happen. Let me know in the chat. What do you guys think? Let's see who wants to be on camera today, calling out the move here. We'll do a poll, up or down. Everybody always asks me, well, hey, let me know. Are we going up or are we going down today? The poll is live. Let's see. 71% right now. 69% up. 37. Ooh, the ups. The downs are climbing. The bears are climbing here. Let's see. Up 62%. 30%. We got 300 votes right now. 62% say we're going to go up. And 38% say we're gonna go down. Zippins, did you see the Only Prop Firm swag? I saw the swag. I'm not really a swag kind of guy, to be honest. I don't really think people are trying to load up on Only Prop Firm swag. I think people are here just to make money. Money, money, money. If we don't bounce 18,756, we're going to 18,683. Okay, okay. The trend is your friend. All right. The chat has spoken. The chat has spoken. We're getting closer and closer to that gap here on the QQ now. We're just like keep moving on down here now. Now we're here. The gap is right there. That gap's not far away from where we're at price action wise, so. $7.15 area or so. We got that pivot point there at the 52s. After that, we got 18,685 to the downside there. So it's time. We got 2 minutes till market opens up. 2 minutes. If you guys ever hit that like button, help me out. Hit the like button. It's free to like, by the way. We're live. We're doing it. What is QQQ? QQQ is a powerful drug, baby. Stay away from it. You don't want none of that QQQ. That stuff will change your life forever. All right, less than a minute till the market opens up. That QQQ is a powerful drug. You don't want none of that, Bobby. You don't want none of that QQQ. 0-day expiration QQQ options. Now that is a powerful drug. That, my friend, is a powerful drug. 20 seconds here till the market opens up. Boop, 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 boop. We got the VWAP up there at the 840s. All right, all right. It's time, baby. Market straight up here so far. Oh yeah. He's going straight to the moon. Well, good thing we did not get short there at open, even though Jimmy the Butler called out the short there. Hey, you know, don't go do nothing crazy, people. Don't go doing nothing crazy, my friends. Stick to the plan. Jimmy the Butler, he's fucking crazy. Look at this thing, straight up now. Still going. Still going. Still going. I took a risky long here at open from the 65s up there to the 80s to lock it in nice and easy. That was less than 5 seconds in that trade. So, like I said, not looking for shorts here at open. And there we go, up there to the 800s now. I think she still wants more, huh? Wants more. She still wants more. Yeah, boy, he's such a liar. What is he talking about? I just showed it. I literally just showed it on the screen. You can see my entry. 66s out at the 80s. He didn't take nothing. He's lying. He's a liar. Get this guy out of here. Buy, sell. Buy, sell. Buy, sell. All right. Looks like 63% of the chat is in the green right now. Everybody else is in the red. If you got short there at open, don't go short and don't go get crazy. The first 5-minute candle pushing up here, starting a bull flag. We get through, trying to get through that 800 level there. You gotta run it through the 800s, and then there's that VWAP up there at the 33s. The ES is having some trouble right now. ES is still kind of moving down. Trying to see if the NASDAQ's still got room to run, but the ES kind of holding us down here with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ kind of wants that push up here, but the YM and the ES are lagging the NASDAQ now, so maybe more of a pullback here on the NASDAQ again. NASDAQ kind of needs to hold that 80 level there for the bulls. There, we held that 80 area to back up there towards the 800s one more time. Do we go through the 800s strong? Stuck at the 800s here for now on the NASDAQ. She wants it to go higher. She wants it. Oh, buddy. She's a wanting it. She's a wanting it, boys. Woo! Right now, looking at the 2-minute chart here. 2-minute chart on the NASDAQ. 2-minute chart, people. Bull flagging here at the 90 area. I feel like the NASDAQ wants that VWAP level. VWAP up there at the 829s for the NASDAQ now. Basically want to see that 80 area hold up here. Trouble. Again, retesting that 80 level. Will she hold 80s to get that move up there towards the VWAP? Look at that 80 level again, holding up their 80s. Comms trades, 18,620 end of day. Thank me later. LOL. Let's thank him now for giving us the information. NASDAQ wanting that VWAP up there. Remember, we got that big gap down here. This thing could easily just start ripping up here. The gap fill, look at that thing. Big old gap from the close yesterday there on the QQQ. We're holding there at the 455s for now. And look at it. She's a-going. She's a-going. Woo, buddy. She's a-going. She's a-going, boys. All right, NASDAQ up there to the 820s. NASDAQ up there to the 820s now. So on the day right now, here in my Apex accounts, 1,200 in accounts, 1,605, 1,905. I'm basically now breaking it up so that it's like 1,500 or 5 accounts, basically 5 accounts per group. So that way, if I do have a bad trade, I don't lose on 20 accounts at once. You know, kind of mix it up a little bit, but that was what we were looking at there. NASDAQ still showing some promise here. NASDAQ's still holding up here for now. Got to get above that 800 level, just kind of chopping around. We got the 15-minute opening range coming up here as well in the next 3 minutes. Are U.S. traders allowed on Apex? Yes. Why? What? Apex is a USA company. Sneaky Texas Venom. He's still short from yesterday. I like it. All right, once again, retesting that 80 level here. I think below 80s, the bulls are in trouble here. Keep an eye on it. 80s sitting there for now. Who's the maker of my keyboard? Corsair. Jimmy's still short. No stops. No stop Jimmy over here. He got short at the 60s. He don't care. He said no stops ever. All right, that line in the sand here at the 80s. Woo! Would you look at it? Bow, 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 bow. Where's the Abyss indicator when you need him? Jimmy's the new Abyss indicator. All right, the 15-minute range has been set. We know now, 15-minute opening range here. I don't know if this is a short just yet, my friends. We get back above the 1800, above the 800 level, we going up, up, up. Only the OGs know about the rooster indicator. The rooster. Pushing it back above 800. You want to see this accelerate right through the 800s now. Go, go, go style. Like that right there. They're taking out those stops, squeezing the shorts here. Keep that party going all the way to the VWAP. All the way to the VWAP. Like I said earlier, those shorts were just not looking good. Just not looking good, those shorts there. That big old gap down. Robert's long from the 802s. Let's go. The VWAP settings right there. People asking in the chat. Steve Jansen, my spy shorts from yesterday looked really good. Who the fuck gives a fuck about your fucking spy shorts from yesterday? I don't give a fuck. It's funny. I'm funny. I'm a funny person. What can I say? He's so funny. He is a funny boy. Patrick Wieland's a funny boy. He's a funny man. All I care about is green, green, green. Green, green, green. Patrick Wieland for president 2025. Look at the ES. The ES barely going nowhere right now. The NASDAQ, once the VWAP. Once the VWAP. Where'd you meet Victoria at? I met her on Raya, the app for celebrities and rich people. You guys got Raya where you live at? Who's on Raya? Anybody? Anybody in the chat used Raya before? R-A-Y-A. It's an app where you have to get invited. You gotta be real sexy. If you ain't sexy, nope. Gold digger app. Bro, I'm poor. What are you talking about? Trust me, Victoria did not start dating me because of the money. She started dating me because of my big old head. How did you get on it? Because I'm fucking famous? What do you mean? My big old brain. Oh, would you look at it go? Wow. Wow. Where are the shorts at now? Where are they at? Where do they go? Where do they go? Kevin, I'm normally trading 2 to 4 contracts. 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 4 contracts. Oh my God. Look at that boner candle. Boner. Boner candle. God. My girlfriend thinks you're super funny. Well, I'll be honest. The fastest way to a girl's heart is to make her laugh. Just don't creep her out. That honestly helps as well. If you're a creepy dude, you're probably in trouble. So that could also be an issue. Trust me, there's a lot of really rich guys in Miami, right? Like there's a lot of people in Miami with money. So like just having money will not get you girls. I know it sounds funny, but like, yeah, they'll come over, they'll like go on your boat, you know, they'll use you, they'll abuse you, but they won't marry you. So there's a difference. Miami gold diggers are on another level. It's a totally different ball game around here, baby. Richard Steele, my wife calls you potty mouth. Well, you know what, Richard, go fuck yourself. I'm just kidding. Tell your wife I say hello, good fucking morning, wake up in the morning, smell the fucking coffee. That's Patrick Wieland. Pissing excellence, baby. Let's go. Why would you want to marry them? Why would you not want to marry all of the women? Look at this shit. The NASDAQ. What a setup. The 80 level. Hey, guess what? 80s, holding up there. Like I said, above the 80s, the bulls stay in control here. We're above the VWAP now. We got a pivot point coming up there, 846s. Come on. It's like this every day, baby. Back to back to back to back. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna be fucking real honest real quick, right? Let's be real honest real quick here. The people in the chat that are always like, Patrick never tells me what to do. He doesn't tell me what to do. The people that actually come every day, show up to make money. The people who show up to this stream to make money, guess what they're doing? They're making money, right? Like they're making money because it's not rocket science, my friends. It's not rocket science. I don't need to hold the hands. I do not need to hold the hands of these people. My guys, the guys that show up every day ready to work, they see this shit. They see the opportunities. I don't need to tell them what's gonna happen. They already know what's gonna happen. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Think about that. It won't stop. It don't stop. It won't stop. It don't stop. 15-minute range breakout from the A17s now up there to the 44s. Come on. Come on. Just listen. You just listen. And again, what do we have? We had that big old gap. This is not just like this is not magical price action. This is not magical price action. You know, it's really not. Like, this is not, like, it's not magic the market's going up here, right? Like, if you woke up this morning, you saw the market going down, and you had no idea, and maybe you follow, I don't know, fucking Rips or some other idiot on YouTube. What would you have thought this morning, right? If you get rid of all this, the opening price action, and you're like, oh man, the market's crashing. I'm gonna get short at open. I'm gonna get short at open. Think about that. How many people in the chat today talked about getting short at open? You know? Yeah, I mean, it's not rocket science. A little bit more detail, buddy, please, because it was crashing. What does that mean? The gap. There's a fucking gap in the QQQ, a massive gap. There's a massive gap. There's a massive gap there, guys. Come on. You thought we were just gonna keep going down, down, down? No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. And the best part is, here's the best part. Like, I'm done, all right? Done, easy. Take my trades, walk away. You know, take my trades, walk away, baby. Look at that. Make easy money. Make easy money. You know what I mean? It's amazing. How come we always go up, but no down, down? I mean, we went down, down for a while. What are you talking about? We've had plenty of down, down. You know, like we already did that. We already had the down, down. The down, down happened here in March. Oh, April. That was the down, down. We had plenty of down, down action. And guess what? Now it's up, up. You know? That's how the market goes. The market's always going to go up in time. You know? It's always going to go up in time. So the idea the market's going to zero, it just ain't going to happen. The market's not going to zero, people. It's rigged. Come on. When it sells off at night, it rips at open. I mean, it's just kind of how it is. You know? Again, just look, I mean, just get rid of all. You don't need any indicators here to see. I mean, if you go put regular trading hours on, look, so we open up, we closed yesterday 940s at the high, and it's like we have this big old gap here. That overnight price action, there's not enough volume to sustain the overnight price action like that. Unless there's like some really big news or something's going on, I would say, you know, 75, 80% of the time, these gaps are going to at least partially get filled. Because the thing is, we don't need a 1,000-point move. You know, you don't need a 1,000-point move here to make money. You really don't. Give me 20 points. Give me 20 points, baby. That's all I need. 20 points every day on the NASDAQ. 4 contracts. Make money. Make money. Money. Think about that. It's money. You know, money. Just think about that. Just think about it, would you? Just look. Make the money. This right here. All this money that I made today with Apex. All this money here. All that money. How'd I do it? Just with quick and easy moves. predictable moves, right? The thing is, people are always so focused on trying to capitalize on the whole entire move. I don't need the whole entire move. I don't. I really just don't need it. You know? All I need is just a little bit. Because the thing is, if I know that there's a good chance that if we break out, all right, let's say we break out here, we got our indicators back on there. We get a breakout. If we break out from the 800 area, basically through there, I said if we get back above 800s here, we hold here at the 80s, there's a very high chance that we run this high, right up into there. We go up there to the VWAP. Well, I don't need 40 points. Just give me 20 points. Getting 20 points out of multiple moves is a lot easier than trying to get 60 points out of one move, right? Think about that. You know? I think this setup right here, I like this breakout setup through the 800s, and then I have a target, you know? And the best part is, guess what? I can just walk away now. You know? I can just walk away with my profits and be done. If your goal as a trader is to fucking trade for 9 hours a day, you're doing something wrong, right? Focus on the open, have your setup, have your plan, the 15-minute setup. It's one of the fucking simplest, dummy-proof setups there is in the entire world. It really is. Like, and then the best part now is, well, guess what? If we start to pull back here, if we start to pull back, retest this level, well, then it gives you another opportunity. But in general, bang, bang, bang. Especially, here's things to think about as well. We had the VWAP. We had the pivot point. Doo! And it works every fucking day. Every day you're gonna get a setup. Every day. Look, now VWAP's turning into support here. We got that pivot point there. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of reasons for the market to move up into that level, especially with this high. If you're targeting, if you're looking for a breakout, I like to think about a couple things, right? I'm giving you guys so much fucking information right now, but most people will never listen because they're too fucking stupid to listen. They just want to be told. Think about it like this, right? What were we doing? Look. That 80 level, 80 level, 80 level. We're respecting that 80 level, right? We're respecting that. There's a reason we could not get below 80 there. If we can't get below 80, what do you think's gonna happen next? Well, we're gonna take out this high here and get a pop, right? We're gonna get that pop up. Bang, bang, bang. For somebody who asked about me blowing up accounts, the reason that I blow up accounts, 100%, I'll never deny it. The reason that I blow up accounts is because I don't walk away, right? I really don't. That is the number one reason that I blow up accounts. I can make money. The problem is when I fuck around and I come back, you know, I go to the gym, I come back, whatever it is, and then I start fucking around with bad price action, that is when I blow up. You know, that is the win. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that I've never fucking blown up. I've blown up thousands of times, but that's the truth. The days that I blow up, the days that I have problems is because I don't trade my setup. I start to trade like at 12 o'clock, you know, 1 o'clock, whatever it is. And that is like that, we know. Like, why would I trade that? Why would I trade at fucking 12 o'clock in the afternoon? Why would I trade up at fucking 2 o'clock? You know? That's my biggest issue. And I know that. I've always been honest about that. It's greed. Blowing up is greed. That's all. Like, people don't blow up because they trade their setups. People blow up because of greed, because of FOMO, because of emotion. You know? That is when you blow up. You don't blow up by taking a good setup. You blow up because you don't fucking follow the plan. That's why. That is exactly why. Would you say you'd be broke by now if you were trading your own money? No. Would you say you'd be broke right now watching my live stream? So, putting it out there for you guys. Right now, the 80 area trying to hold here. Pivot point up there. We got the fucking VWAP now holding up there. Dollar starting to move back down here. The problem is the rest of the market is just kind of not really doing much right now. But I think NASDAQ still wants more. You can see we're holding that 820. As long as you stay above the 820 level here, staying above the VWAP, we're gonna push. We're gonna push, but we need to stay above that. And we are pulling back into the 15-minute range here. Remember the 15-minute opening range. Turning that into support for now. I might take a little trade here in an eval account. Just is kind of waiting. Right now, we're kind of stuck below that EMA here on the 1 minute chart. We need to get back above. I want to see this kind of break out back above the 30s here. Problem is the rest of the market just kind of holding down the NASDAQ right now. So I don't love it. Also, it's red, red, red. We need some green come in here. We want that green for a breakout. Confirmation. No trade. Why does the QQQ relate so much to the NASDAQ? I'm going to be nice for this question. I'm going to be nice. I'm going to be nice. I'm not going to be mean on this one. The reason that the QQQ relates so much to the NASDAQ is the QQQ is the fucking NASDAQ. Oh, it's an ETF. The QQQ follows all the stocks that make up the NASDAQ. But the problem is the QQQ does not trade overnight the same way that the NASDAQ does. Right? So think about that. There's different price action. This is holding up nicely here now. Do-do-do-do. Got to get back above that 40 level. Show the bulls are in control. Just too much choppers in there. That 20 area still holding up for now. And trouble. This is why I really like the 2 minute chart. The 2 minute chart, I really like the 2 minute chart. Right? Because you know why I really like the 2 minute chart? Because, as you can see, we just avoided a fake out. I want to see a green candle close before I think about getting along there. If you go to the 1 minute chart, look at the 1 minute chart. You had that one little green candle, but that was not enough. That was not enough there. I want to see on the 2 minute chart. It's red, 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 red. Little green, but I want to see a actual good, nice 2 minute candle green here. ICT is in Trades by Matt chat. Yeah, because he's banned from this chat. He's not allowed to speak on my channel. Because he's a bitch. He's watching. Don't worry, though. He watches all of my streams. He's watching right now. He's so upset that he can't talk in this channel. He's so upset. I just can't wait to make $500,000. I'm hoping that he won't ever pay up. That's the problem. ICT is the king of excuses. Oh yeah, no, I blew up my Robin's account because the aliens abducted me and put it in my butt. What about Tanya? I mean, Tanya is just playing, she's just doing what every influencer wants to do, I guess. Ride the coattails of a bigger influencer and gain popularity. I mean, Tanya's whole entire channel is built on ICT. So, I like her. Nothing against her. But, you know, she'd be a fool not to capitalize off of the ICT simps. I think ICT people are literally the easiest people in the world to convince of something. So, all right, the NASDAQ holding up here now. We're getting this green candle, 2-minute candle coming in here now. Let's go. Okay, okay. Look at that reaction. We want to see this thing close with some power. Ooh, buddy. Woo! Woo! She's a-going. Look at how that 20 level is still holding up for us. The bull is protecting 20s. NASDAQ trying to push here. Can we get it? I'm going to try this here. See if we can't get up through the 40s. She wants it. We're above that little EMA there again. This is a evaluation account, by the way. I'm done trading the PAs for now. Already locked in enough profit. Trying to get this push up through the 40s here and then kind of targeting up there 50s or more. Just chopping. Can she go? Oh, she wants to go, baby. Get it through the 35s here, up through the 45s next. Come on, give me 10 points. Leonidas said, yesterday I followed Patrick with a 25K PA. Today I went against Patrick and he's down $2,000. Well, Leonidas, you know what they say. Bet on the horse that's winning the race, my friend, not the horse that's in the back. You know? Come on. Come on, people. All right, we're up there through the 40s now. I'm gonna take off a little bit of profit just to lock it in, a responsible trader that I am. Got my stop to break even now. Looking for a break through the 50s there next. I mean, that's pretty bad. Leonidas, yesterday I followed Patrick with the 25K account. Today I went against him. Come on, Leonidas. Why you do that for? Why you do that for? So there we go. Pushed up there to the 44.50s. I was looking for 45s at least. Could have got a little bit more. I took it off there. I think we could. He's got to go. The 15-minute range still holding here. I laid down this whole entire plan before the market, well, before the market opened, but I laid down this whole entire plan from you guys, what I was looking for, this push back up here, back above the 30s, getting some green there on the 2-minute chart. You can see right now, 2-minute chart, we had the first green candle come in, bang, we get long. We're trying to get this push through the pivot. There's a pivot point right there at the 47. So a little bit of resistance for now. The ES and the NASDAQ are just really not going anywhere now. The ES is stuck on that downtrend, but the NASDAQ still trying to break out here. If the ES can get above, if the NASDAQ can get above that pivot point, well, then I think we go, where do we go from there? Up towards 70s, 870 area. So well, let's see if we can get it. Looks pretty fucking bull flaggy, don't it? Look pretty bull flaggy. Breakout here, boys and girls. Don't it look like it wants to go? Will you take me to the moon? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, trying to get through the 45s here. 45, 45, 45, 45s. We got 5 contracts left here. We locked in some profit from the 31s for over a 10-point move. I love to see it. I love to see it. All right, we want to see this push through the pivot point there, through the 50s there next. Moving my stop up there, 35s now. And by the way, this is the 1-minute chart, right? We're looking at the 1-minute chart with the 14 EMA on there, that little white line. You can see why it wasn't a good idea to get long there earlier. This was the long. We had that little manipulation down and then back up. So now we're trying to get this breakout through that high. Patience here. Tapping on that 45 level. Through the 45s. Should be juicy. Right now we're looking here at the NASDAQ futures trading Apex. Apex right now is 90% off. Use the code PW to capitalize. I think today and tomorrow. Today and tomorrow is your last opportunity. All right, NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Up there to that pivot point again. Woo, buddy. She got to get through here. Pivot point holding us down for now. We might get stopped here. Let's see. Oh gosh. Just don't get that power to get through there for now. You can see here the ES is still very much in that downtrend. The NASDAQ starting to break out, a little bit more power, but the ES just kind of holding down the NASDAQ, I think, right now. We need this ES move back up here towards that 5,300 level. Need that ES move back up. NASDAQ's just sitting right below that pivot point now, so good chance of pulling back here to the VWAP if it doesn't want to get through there. Flirting with my stop there. Stopped out there for now. That was still a $1,500 trade. Just part of the business sometimes. The rest of the market just can't get going. Now the NASDAQ's gonna push right back up. Classic. Oh, wow. Manipulation before running higher. Oh, my God. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Stopped out right there and then right back up. You gotta love it. Up there through the, almost to the 50s now. You son of a bitch! It's rigged! The market is rigged! But again, like we talked about, we went from the 1 minute chart, you know, having red. And look what we got, the 2 minute chart. The green, getting this green to come back in here. Took the long here from the 31s. And then up there towards that pivot point. Some sellers coming here aggressively right now. Holding it down. Joshua, don't go on tilt. Don't worry, buddy. I won't. Don't need to. We are sitting pretty green. Pretty green, I'd say. You can see right now, Apex, funded accounts, Basically what I have going on right now is I have 4 different groups. I'm trading 5 accounts in each a group, 4 contracts per account. So basically that allows me to, if I do have, you know, if one setup doesn't work out, well, at least I don't take a hit on all of them, right? So that really is the purpose of trying to space out some of the risk. Carl R. walking away $4,500. And the NASDAQ back down there to the 20s. Like I said, the ES just having too much resistance there, holding it down for the ES now, that 15-minute chart. Just can't get going anywhere. So the dollar just pops straight up to the moon as well. I don't know if someone's talking or just, well, what's going on, but the dollar just made that big breakout there, so. How long have you been trading? About 7 years now. 7 years of trading, baby. And yeah. Before I became a trader, I was a filmer editor. I was filming and editing, traveling the world, filming movies and all types of epic things. Things that you couldn't even imagine. That's right. That's right. Things like nobody knows. Dr. Witt up $20,000 in 4 trading days. Hey, nice and easy, my friend. Nice and easy. Hey, look what's going on here. This 20 level, still respecting 20s. Still respecting the 20 level for now. You seem to have an interesting past before trading. Yeah, I was already the most interesting man on this planet. I've done more. I've done more in my life in the short 35 years that I've been alive than 99% of people will ever do in their entire life. Does money buy happiness? Somebody must be talking right now. What is happening? What is the coolest thing that I've ever filmed? I don't know. I filmed Will Smith one time riding an e-foil. Spent 2 days filming Will Smith filming. That was pretty cool. I felt like that was before like the new woke Will Smith. That was the old Will Smith. But yeah, I've traveled all over the world, filmed Red Bull, filmed all the Nike stuff, a bunch of crazy stuff back in the day. Question, when did you actually become profitable on trading prop firms? I guess last year started trading prop firms really for the first time, so. Did you go to film school? Fuck no. You think I went to film school? Come on. Look at this shit. This is what we were looking for earlier, that breakout. Guess what? Y'all you wanna guess what just happened? Look at this thing. Would you look at this thing? What do you see here? What do y'all see there? What did we retest? What did we retest? Anybody? Well, not support, but what did we retest? Not the fucking VWAP. The 15-minute opening range, guys. Come on. 15-minute opening range. Get rid of all the bullshit. Get rid of every indicator. Your first 15-minute candle. 9:45. All right, we got our high on that candle. 9:30 right there. Look. Do. Go to the smaller time frames. Would you look at that? 15-minute chart. The opening range. Look how beautiful that is. Where is the VWAP? Well, the VWAP's actually right where that level is as well. So that kind of worked out perfectly. But the VWAP also holding up there. But it's great because why? We know, okay, 20, that 15-minute opening range. We got the VWAP support there. Bang, baby. Bang, bang, bang. You know? Bang, bang, bang. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, I don't know what everyone's doing, but honestly, I don't know why the fuck you would watch anyone else on YouTube. Why? You know, why would you? I don't get it. Grant Hill, the 15-minute opening range doesn't actually have any reasoning behind it. Why? Hey, Grant Hill. Explain to me why it has no reasoning. You could literally trade the 5-minute opening range. You could trade, some people do the 2-minute opening range. I don't know. The candle bodies. Bodies. Shane Windsor, definitely shouldn't, because right when I turned on your channel, I was down and you were short. You would have stayed short until the account was blown. Well, I think the 15-minute opening range works. You can do the 30-minute if you want. You can do whatever. I mean, just figure out what works best for you. But Patrick, at what age did you become a millionaire? I became a millionaire last year. 23. Millionaire. Officially a millionaire. It's pretty crazy. I didn't go to college. I don't have rich parents. My mom's dead. My dad has his own bullshit. My dad's like got his own business. He's not giving me money. And yeah, built it all, baby. And I want to make it very clear. Yes, I have made millions of dollars from the Patrick Wieland world, right? Not just trading. I'm not a millionaire day trader. I've already made that clear. How many candles dictate the opening range? Well, sir, the candles with the 15-minute candle would be one candle. It's 15 minutes. So the market opens at 9:30, and then at 9:45, a new 15-minute candle opens. So the opening range would be one candle. Jesus, Patrick, you're looking mad cute. Well, thank you, Jesus. I don't know what you look like, but I'm sure you also look mad cute. Jesus! If you're on the 5-minute chart, you can still watch the 15-minute, yes, because that would be 3 candles. And if you really wanted to, you can go to the 1-minute chart, and then that would be 15 candles. However, I mean, yes, however you want it, you do it. So yeah. Hey, you can have as many candles as you want. You know, like, I don't care. It's up to you personally. Can you show how to trade the 15-minute open? Are you just now tuning in, or are you just trolling me? He's trolling me. He's fucking trolling me. I mean, it's pretty simple. This is your 15-minute opening range. We break out. We turn this into support twice. There's your long. There's your long. There's your move up. I don't know. I just get frustrated because at the end of the day, when I first started trading, I didn't go on YouTube and start asking questions about how to trade. I learned, right? Like, I watched lots of videos. I researched. I figured it out. Like, I don't know. It's just like, I feel like nowadays everybody just wants to be told exactly what to do. And the crazy thing is, there's so much more information out there than there ever has been. You know, literally all the videos online. When I first started trading 7 years ago, there really wasn't that much information out there. Everybody was not live streaming on YouTube. You know, it really wasn't like all that shit. So it has never been easier to learn how to day trade than today, to be honest. Like, it's never been easier to learn how to trade. I'm not saying to get rich, but like to actually learn how to trade, it's never been easier. There are so many videos out there that you can learn from. And not even like my videos, but there's so many videos. So, you know, check out the Only Proverbs website. All I know is I was one of the OGs on YouTube. Oh, motherfucking G's, baby. People be like, Patrick, you're not number one. I'm like, I'm number one, okay? I fucking created this game. I created this game. Patrick motherfucking Wieland. Oh, look at this shit. I was streaming live on YouTube back in the day, boys. Back in the day. Look at this shit. 6 years ago, people. 6 years ago, I was doing this shit. Look at my fat face. I was just a young boy. I was just a young boy. Look at this shit. I was doing it live. I don't even know. Back when I was trading Sure Trader, baby. Look at those charts. I think I took a trade here. Yeah, look at this. Taking a trade live 6 years ago on YouTube before anybody even knew how to do this shit. Look at that, shorting. Short 970. It's selling down.
And there we go. In there at 970.
Look at that.
Take a profit there.
$100. Yes. 100 bucks. I made $100 back in the day. Oh, it's amazing. Look at that. Look at that beautiful face. Damn, I look young back then. I look really young. Look at my forehead. I didn't have any wrinkles in my forehead. My hair was a little thicker. That baby ass face. Look at that thing. 6 years ago. So when anybody talks about how they're fucking #1 day trader, they think they're good. Guys, I've been doing this longer than most of these fuckers have even been trading. You know, like literally, I've been trading on YouTube live longer than most motherfuckers have even known what trading is. So, yeah, I mean, I was happy to make $100 back then. Yeah, fuck yeah. You seem more humble back then. Yeah, because I didn't know what I was doing. I was just trading live on YouTube. Divergence trading. I've been trading for 23 years. Well, why the fuck are you in my stream then? I've been trading for 23 years. Why the fuck are you here? All right, NASDAQ still moving up here beautifully off of that 20 level. The 20s to 20s to 20s. Hey, guess what? Gone. I taught Humble Trader how to fucking trade, people. Come on. I literally taught her how to trade. I taught her how to trade. And now she's got 1 million people on fucking YouTube following her. God damn it. Damn it. She got me. She got me good. Damn you, Humble Trader. Damn you. Damn you. Damn you, Humble Trader. Damn you. Look at this shit. 5 years ago, Humble Trader. Amazing video by Patrick Wieland interviewing Guy. I've watched this video 3 times. So many valuable tips given. Oh. Humble Trader. And now she's got fucking 1.2 million. Oh, man. And the best is now she's promoting all the fucking idiots on YouTube. This guy. Are you kidding me? Oh, God. Look at this guy. I have no clue. You got no clue. This motherfucker is one of the worst. 30-year trading veteran. Bro, I'm telling you. If I'm still on YouTube in 30 years, fucking kill me now. Kill me now. Put a fucking bullet in my motherfucking head. Put a bullet in my mother. I swear to God. Look at this NASDAQ still moving higher. I wonder why. I wonder why the NASDAQ's still moving higher. I wonder. Let me think about this. Why could it be? Why could it be? Why could the NASDAQ still be going up right now? I don't know why. Why would that be? It's the weirdest thing. It's like we woke up this morning and the NASDAQ was going straight down. It was going straight down. What happened? What happened? The market's been going down all night long. But why is it going back up now? Come on. What YouTuber went short today? That's what I want to know. Find out what YouTuber shorted this morning, and then we can make fun of them. Please find them for me. Find the YouTubers that went short this morning, and then we can make fun of them for being dum-dums. Did Rips go short this morning? Oh, I bet he did. I bet he did. I bet he did. Oh. Why would anyone go short this morning? Don't go short, people. Don't do it. Patrick Wieland will show you how to trade. I'll show you guys everything you need to learn. I'll teach you everything you need. Teach you all the stuff. All right, so there we go. I'm done for the day. It's easy. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Why make it hard on yourself? When you're sitting pretty, when you're sitting fucking pretty, when your account looks like this, you know what time it is? It's time to walk away, people. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna get my fucking pump on. I'm gonna start the day. We're gonna crush it again. All right, I got things to do, really though. I'll see you guys I don't know if I'm gonna be live tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go fishing tomorrow morning. The weather is gonna be absolutely beautiful. That's the best part about being a day trader, is not having to fucking do it every day. Focus on the good days, make your money, and then walk away. Enjoy your life. Get the fuck out of here, you know? Make it easy on you. Make it easy on you. Timothy Rogers, the next fishing video dropping on Friday. I'm actually not in the next fishing video, which is kind of weird. I was in France when they filmed it, but hey, it's still the team. And here we go. I will see you guys later on. I might post up a video later on, and yeah. If you want to win with the #1 day trader on YouTube, make sure you tune in, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. The rest of the people, I don't know what they're doing. I really don't know what they're doing, to be honest. I have no idea what they're doing out there because, again, there was no reason at any point this morning to get short. Zero reasons. None. Zero. None. 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 All right. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow morning. Probably not. But Friday morning, Fresh Cash. You know I'm not going to miss out on Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday! If this video gets 600 likes, I'll put a video out later talking about what happened down today and kind of explaining the 15-minute strategy for anybody out there who needs to know. Can we get 600 here? I don't think we probably can, but I'll do it either way. Well, fuck the haters. Well, love the likers. Love you guys. See y'all later on. Peace to the middle motherfucking east.